Hey everybody, welcome to the day trading recap for the Day Trade Ideas. Today is April 13th, 2023. Let's take a look at what we did today. So far so good, on a continuation to the upside on the market. We did push back after the CPI data and that PPI data that came out this morning. Nice to see the market push back towards and breaking that daily resistance level on the upside. Did a couple different things today. Really nice day on the equity and the option side. So on the equity side, guys, we got a whole bunch of different things. Primarily, we were long. Let's just see. I'm just going to scroll up and go through it all. So we had some Tesla long today, which was about 3 points and change to the upside. Ended up being a pretty nice trade there. NVO, which was an all-day grinder to the upside, ended up being a pretty decent move there for about 1 point and change. MSTR on the long side this morning got a nice little pop there for about 14 points on that one. SRPT, long idea off the lows, is one of my favorite trades of the day. 5.5 points out the gate, so that was a pretty quick mover. AMST long, obviously you can see that it went all the way to 540 from 406. So it was a pretty good idea there. We ended up getting stopped out at our entries, unfortunately, but it did work out pretty okay. mRNA 160.04 long for about $1.50 to the upside. We'll call it more like $1.80. So pretty solid in that regard. Weight Watchers, we had this on the option side. We did look at OCEAI at around 620, and we had that all the way towards 740, which was pretty decent. EMPH 204.40 scalp all the way into the 208s, so about 4 points on that, actually 3.5 points on that one. ADSK was a flat trade for a 4-cent gain, nothing really there. IREN, a little bit of a push there for about 15 cents on the upside. Again, nothing really crazy there. MSGN for about 10 cents, 15 cents to the upside. Wasn't really a big trade at all, just kind of small. CXAI, basically all day long to the upside. When it broke the 556 level, I think it was 560 actually, I was saying it had room towards 808, and then you got that huge pop, so about a couple points on that one to the upside. UNH long for 1 point and change. And then we did have this GFAI along for 1 point, SEDG long for looks like 3.5 points on that one, and then we did some FDMT. This one was taken off flat. Oops. We tried MSTR short at the end of the day. That was a failed trade, and I believe that's it. Yeah, that's it. So really high hit rate on the equity side, fantastic. Option side, same sort of deal. We had these Amazon 101 calls, which ended up going, I believe, above 100 or 200%. Yeah, just above 200%. So actually 300% on the Amazon. So 300% on Amazon. Meta, we had about a 30% trade on that one out the gate. Weight Watchers, about 130% on that one. Disney, this one did, let's see, 100 calls, and that one went about, divided by 271% on that one. We had the crowd 140 calls, which ended up going up a little bit this morning, like 40%, and ended up getting stopped out. SC was a failed trade. Didn't end up really working there. BABA, same thing on that one. We had Snow, which worked out nicely this morning for a quick little pop. I believe it was around like 50%. Crisp was the best trade of the day. We had the 59 calls, and that went up, I believe it was around 600%, but let me just quickly confirm that, my friends. It was actually, 780% on Crisp, so that was a really good one. Beyond was one that did not work. We tried the 15 calls, ended up just being flat. We talked about Amazon, and that's pretty much it, my friends. Oh, Snow was 76% there. So all in all, really good day. The option side on the hit rate on the option side was really high. SPX was pretty good as well. We had one trade that didn't work, and actually, 2 trades. With SPX put at the beginning of the day, which didn't work. Roll at the end of the day, which didn't work. But we had some really good rolls. We had a SPX spread max out at 5,000%. We had the 4120s that went up over 200%, and then the 4125s, which went 218%. And those were $7 contracts, so they moved, 14, 15 points on that. So, 14 points and change. So overall, solid day. We'll see what happens tomorrow. Tomorrow's Lotto Friday, guys. Should be a busy one. Like I said, market's breaking that downtrend on the daily, so we'll see what happens in regards to that and continuation. And that's it. Thanks, everybody, for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. SpartanTrading.com. Come sign up, guys. We'll see you tomorrow. We always have a lot of fun on Fridays as well, and enjoy the rest of your day.